Some people just see a pile of rusty metal, but we see potential, a sleeping legend waiting to wake up. Welcome to Restore and Repair Garage, where we bring history back to life. In this dark corner sleeps a forgotten giant, an American legend buried under dust. To build it back up, we have to tear it all down. This rotten interior has to go. A tired old heart, full of black sludge and memories of past street races. Goodbye, old engine. We lift the weight of the past to give it a new breath of life. Under this thick grime, a legendary V8 block is waiting to be cleansed. Mechanical art. Hundreds of V8 components arranged neatly, waiting to unite. Pistons in, bolts torqued, we are rebuilding this horsepower monster with surgical precision. New carb, chrome air cleaner, this engine now looks too beautiful to get dirty. Big power needs a strong foundation. New suspension installed to keep this beast glued to the asphalt. Modern safety meets classic style. Shiny new disc brakes are ready to stop this monster. Stainless steel exhaust pipes. These aren't just pipes, they are trumpets for the V8 symphony. New wires routed. The electric heart of this car is finally free from gremlins. The classic dash goes back in. When that speedometer needle sits there, it feels magical. The smell of fresh leather fills the cabin. Plush seats and a wood wheel ready for the long haul. The moment we've waited for, the marriage. Reuniting this powerhouse engine with its new home. Putting on the jewelry, chrome bumpers, emblems, and that hood scoop. Her aggressive face is back.
Final step, mounting classic chrome mag wheels with brand new black tires. The car is lowered from the lift onto the ground for the first time.